Are you hesitant to start your business due to upfront costs and inventory risks? Or are you seeking ways to optimize your supply chain and maximize profitability for your existing operations? NH Dropshipping offers the solution. Based in Yiwu, China, the world's capital of small commodities, we are a professional supply chain platform dedicated to empowering global e-commerce sellers through innovative dropshipping solutions. How we deliver value. For new sellers, eliminate inventory pressure and capital commitment. With access to our extensive network of trusted factories in Yiwu and across China, you can focus entirely on marketing and sales. We handle the rest: product sourcing, procurement, quality inspection, and shipping, so you can launch your business with ease. For established sellers, we provide advanced support tailored for experienced sellers. Consolidated sourcing streamlines supplier resources to reduce product costs. Exclusive logistics benefits leverage negotiated shipping discounts to significantly lower operational costs. Dedicated VIP support. Personalized account management ensures prompt resolution and enhances store performance. Choosing NH Dropshipping means choosing efficiency and scalability. Follow us for more industry insights and platform tutorials. In our next video, we'll guide you step by step on how to get started with NH Dropshipping and elevate your e-commerce business.